DPS Panvel. Welcome to the very first episode of your new fortnightly news update, Campus Chronicles. I'm Sanvi.
I am Samanvay, and we are honored to be the very first news anchors of Campus Chronicles. We are thrilled to be bringing you updates from all around our school.
We've got a packed show for you today, from athletic achievements to academic triumphs.
First of all, let's talk about health and fitness with our health and wellness segment. Even when academics often grabs the headlines, but it's important to remember how crucial role of fitness is played in our life. So with that, over to Tanika, our sports captain.
On 26th of July, our school saw rivalries compete on the field of football. The inter-house football competition had the following results. In boys, Magician took the first place, with Explorer being the runner-up. In girls, Maverick took the first place, with Pioneer being the runner-up. Overall, I feel all the houses won. Thank you.
Wow, that surely is nail biting. I believe it was a win-win situation for all the houses and that such friendly rivalries are what keep the competition going. Time to look at what Mother Nature has in store for us with Forecast Frenzy. Over to Devanshi, our weather reporter.
As we head into the next couple of weeks, we expect a typical monsoon weather to continue with the temperature ranging between 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. Thus, there would be scattered rainfall, so be prepared with your umbrellas and raincoat. Weather will be moderate with 70% chances of rainfall. However, I don't think we need any statistics to prove that. Keep an eye out for the occasional heavy downpours, especially during the afternoons.
Moving on to InfoHub, where we will bring you all the crucial announcements and important events going on in our school. Over to Arjun, our head boy.
Greetings everyone. I am Arjun Suman, Head of Delegate Affairs at Young Arrow and the Head Boy of DPS Panvel. We proudly introduce DPS Month 25, the first edition of Inter-School MUN organized by DPS Panvel, powered by Young Arrow. Venue is the lush green campus of DPS Panvel and the dates of the event are 2nd and 3rd of August, which is tomorrow. Show up and make your weekend productive.
Time to dish out some news from the school cafeteria with Healthy Bites. Our school has introduced some new and healthy options for your meal.
Greetings to all my foodies. I'm Vartika reporting from Yes Chef Cafe. Let's take a quick look at what our students love to eat. What is your favorite food from the cafeteria's menu?
My favorite food from cafeteria is paneer burji. It's warm, filling and delicious, perfect for a quick bite.
How often do you visit the cafeteria?
I shop at the cafeteria 3 to 4 times a week. I really enjoy the food served here for it is quick and healthy and it's very convenient to have during the recess.
That was a quick bite from our school's cafeteria. Until next time, happy munching!
We encourage everyone to try out these new additions and make their meals much more healthier. When we fill our bodies with healthy food, it helps us to focus in our classes. For all the bookworms out there, we have Literary Lane segment which has some exciting news coming from our school library. Over to you Nikita, our school head girl.
Our library now has exciting new genres from thriller mysteries to magical fantasies to real life adventure and non-fiction. So come, pick your favorite and let the book take you on a brand new journey. And the book of the fortnight is Build on Talk by Raj Samani, a self-help book that teaches you everything about the real world.
Moving on to Student Spotlight, we are proud to feature our very own student Tarun Yadav, who has an outstanding feat.
He represented India in the Intercontinental Cup which was held in France. Now let us hear from Sanil, our sports captain.
Today, we have with us a proud representative of our nation who recently had the honor for playing India in the Intercontinental Football Club held in France. We are delighted to hear about his experiences and journey on such a prestigious platform.
Thank you.
How did you feel when you were selected to go for this tournament?
I felt really proud and nervous at the same time. I was waiting for this opportunity for a long time and I really worked hard for it. So when I got this opportunity, it was really great and I wanted to give all my efforts and all I had for this tournament.
What kind of training and preparation went into getting ready for this international tournament?
I used to train for 2 to 3 hours and really hard training, rough training. I used to take the ball and play alone with it in the school, society and the ground for my club.
What differences did you observe while playing in India and competing against international teams in France?
In India, everyone plays for themselves and not for the team. There are less players who play for their team. But when I played against the international teams, everyone was playing for the team. Their coordination and the commands of coaches were completely different, and it was a lot of learning for me.
Could you like to share one or two more experiences about your tournament?
There were many experiences. I remember these two which I will never forget in my life. One, first game of our team against France, they beat us 8-1 and we lost. It was then I realized that it was lot of competition and it was really hard to compete against them. And when we really coped up to their level, then we started dominating the other teams, and it was a really good experience. I was the youngest player, so there was a lot of learning for me.
Do you think this opportunity has shaped your perspective both as a player and as a representative of India?
Yes, it has changed my perspective. As a player, I need to work more harder and practice a lot harder than I used to. And as a representative, it is a huge responsibility when so much of fans are watching you.
Thank you for sharing your inspiring journey with us. We wish you a continued success in your football career and hope your story motivates more young athletes in our school and across the country.
Thank you so much.
And finally, let's talk about celebrating a vibrant school community with Cultural Connect. Starting with 7th of August, we have illuminated Talent Hunt Search competition, followed by 14th of August where we have the Dahi Handi competition. Then on 15th of August, we have Independence Day celebration.
So climbers, start discussing your strategies and we hope to see you as a part of the Great Pyramid.
That brings us to the very end of our first DPS Campus Chronicles updates.
We hope you enjoyed it and found it informative. We'll be back in 2 weeks with more news and updates from around our dynamic school with a more dynamic duo. Until then, stay curious, stay active and stay connected. With this, we bid you adieu.